Sendwave po ay isang mobile app na pwede niyo pong gamitin para magpadala ng inyong mga remittances sa Pilipinas nang walang remittance fees. Ang gagawin niyo lang ay download ang Sendwave app. Ayan, download nyo at ilagay inyong bank details. Secure na secure yan dyan. At pwede na kayo magpadala sa GCash, Cash Pickup at iba't ibang mga bangko sa Pilipinas. At sa inyo pong unang padala, mga kotsero, huwag nyo kalimutan gamitin ang aking promo code na Coach Jarrett para makakuha kayo ng $10 free credit sa inyong account. So, kung kayo po ay nasa US, UK, Canada, Italy, France, Spain, Ireland, and Belgium, yan, mag-Sendwave na tayo para sa inyong mga remittance needs para wala kayong remittance fees. Si Putin, oh my God! It is true! Why? Sino naghabla? Wait. Breaking news! Breaking news, mga kotsera. Sakto. Actually, kanina ko pa nako-comment to. Nakikita tong comment na to. Hindi ko lang masyadong pinapansin. Kasi nasa gitna ako ng topic. Pero ngayon pansinin na natin. Si Putin! Oh my God! Putin! ICC issues arrest warrant for Putin over Ukraine war crimes. Sino aaresto? Wala namang police power ang ICC. So sino aaresto? The ICC said on Friday it issued an arrest warrant for Russian President Vladimir Putin for war crimes because of his alleged involvement in abductions of children from Ukraine. Oh my God. The court said in a statement that Putin is allegedly responsible for the war crime of unlawful deportation of population and that of unlawful transfer of population from occupied areas of Ukraine to the Russian Federation. It also issued a warrant Friday for the arrest of Maria Alexeyevna Lyova-Belova, the Commissioner of Children's Rights in the Office of the President of the Russian Federation, on similar allegations. Oh my God. Sino mag-i-enforce nito? Exactly. Ito, buti sinabi dito. The court's president, Piotr Hofmansky, said in a video statement that while the ICC's judges have issued warrants, it will be up to the international community to enforce them. The court has no police force of its own to enforce warrants. Sino mag-i-enforce niyan? UN Security Council? America? Sino ba nasa America? 5 yan eh. US, China, Russia. There are two more. I forget who they are. The ICC is doing its part of work as court of law. The judges issued arrest warrants. The execution depends on international cooperation. Good luck. Sino aaresto dyan? May 5 permanent members ang UN Security Council. Sabihin natin international community raw eh. So sino yan? Sino yung 5 na yan? 5 permanent members, China, France, Russia, UK, and US. 10 non-permanent members, 5 of which are elected each year by the General Assembly for a 2-year term. Ito yung ngayon, 2023 members ng Security Council. Albania, Brazil, China, Ecuador, France, Gabon, Ghana, Japan, Malta, Mozambique, Russian Federation, Switzerland, UAE, UK at US. So, are we expecting na one or more of these countries will act on the arrest warrant? Tama ba? Yun ba? Yun ba ang gusto nating sabihin dito? Aakto sila sa arrest warrant nito? Siyempre, tuwan-tuwa ang Ukraine. The world change, said Presidential Advisor Mikhailo Podolyak. Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba said wheels of justice are turning and added that international criminals will be held accountable for stealing children and other international crimes. Child abduction. Saan kaya na nakuha yung probable cause nito? No? The ICC said its pre-trial chamber found reasonable grounds to believe that each suspect bears responsibility for the war crime of unlawful deportation of population and that of unlawful transfer of population from occupied areas of Ukraine to the Russian Federation in prejudice of Ukrainian children. Grabe to. Ito ngayon yung paano. How How Moscow grabs Ukrainian kids and makes them Russians. Yun pala yung drama. Russia's open effort to adopt Ukrainian children and bring them up as Russian is already well underway in one of the most explosive issues of the war, an Associated Press investigation shows. Thousands of children have been found in the basements of war-torn cities like Mariupol and the orphanages in Russian-backed separatist territories of Donbas. They include those whose parents were killed by Russian shelling, as well as those in institutions or with foster families known as children of the state. Russia claims that these children don't have parents or guardians to look after them or that they can't be reached. But the AP found that officials have deported Ukrainian children to Russia or Russian-held territories without consent, lied to them that they weren't wanted by their parents, used them for propaganda, and given them Russian families and citizenship. So ito yung example ng mga bata, kinukuha daw sa Ukraine tapos gagawing citizen sa Russia. Orphans daw. Whether or not they have parents, raising the children of war in another country or culture can be a marker of genocide, an attempt to erase the very identity of an enemy nation. Prosecutors say it could also be tied directly to Russian President Vladimir Putin, who has explicitly supported these adoptions. Ang sabi. This is a developing story. Admittedly, hindi ko pa po nababasa to kasi obviously this is breaking news. Kaka-upload lang nito on 9 minutes ago. Fresh na fresh. So, this is a developing story. But yun nga ang question kasi dito is who will enforce? Sino mag-e-enforce nitong arrest warrant na to? Yan ang pinakamalaking question dyan. Kasi nga, walang police power ang ICC. Para silang UNCLOS. Not UNCLOS. Yung Hague. Arbitration Court. Yung arbitration court, they can go in. The two countries can go there, arbitrate. Pag alis, walang mag-e-enforce. Sino mag-e-enforce, di ba? Sige nga. Sino nga aresto kay Putin? Unless, ito naisip ko dyan, nakikitaan na nila ng dahilan na malapit nang matalo ang Russia. Kasi wala namang bansa na lalapit sa loob ng Moscow para damputin si Putin. Unless merong cause to believe na matatalo na si Russia sa gera. Kaya sila naglagay ng ganito. Another is for propaganda, of course. Gera yan eh. It's ang gera diyan, sa gera hindi lang yan labanan ng baril, labanan din yan ng puso at isip. Baka pwede rin kasi na malapit nang matalo sa Ukraine. Pwede yun eh. So hindi ko pa makitaan ng ewan ko, NATO? Will NATO implement this? 'Di ba? We don't know. Definitely UN Security Council, I don't know. So who will enforce this? Pero I think this is if anything, this is a ano lang yan, statement. Statement lang yan ng Ukraine na hindi namin tinatanggap ang Russian occupation sa lahat ng aming teritoryo. Unless ang Russians mismo ang kumalaban kay Putin. Yun. Parang nangyari kay Libya. Gaddafi. Ayan, si Gaddafi. Unless parang Gaddafi yan o na nagalit mismo sa kanya yung Libyans. Libyans mismo ang nagalit. Kaya, si Saddam din, ganyan. Si Saddam, mga Iraqis mismo ang nagalit. So, ayun. So, kung gano'n ang mangyayari kay Putin, malamang sa malamang, posible. Kumbaga kasi internal, sa loob mismo ng Russia nangyari. Walang ibang bansa na nakialam. Kung internal yan, pwede. Ba, may Tomb Raider kay Putin, yun. Tapos siya doon, sigurado. Ay, grabe. Okay, so ganyan lang po tayo. See you in our next Coach Jared Live. Bye everyone. See you next time. Bye.